Say this. If you're not grown, you shouldn't be drinking, okay? So, in a lot of countries, 18. So, if you're in a country and it's 18, then go ahead and make you one of these. If you're in America, which is 21, go ahead and make you one of these. If you're not of the drinking age, then go ahead and make a root beer float. If you're a guy and you're out there watching this video and you feel some type of way that you don't get any gifts, smash the like. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making two different floats, ice cream float. So this is not traditional, and you know I don't do nothing traditional here on this channel. So right here you see we have the triple chocolate from Turkey Hill ice cream. And typically floats are made with vanilla ice cream, but we're not doing anything basic around here. And we have our whipped topping. We have Jamaican red label wine. Just look at that. Wow. And then we have, this is a rum cream that my dad brought from me from Dominican Republic. We have two glasses right here. Cheers to you. And we have our whipped topping. So we're gonna get this started. We're gonna do a thumbnail. You know, we're doing bottles on bottles on bottles. So all right, so we're gonna get started. First, let's open our whipped cream. We're gonna open our ice cream. Just look at that. Wow. All right. So we're gonna get a little bit. It just fell out my leg, so that's good. So we're gonna put a little bit of, again, you see, and then a little bit of each one in each float. All right, so we got a little bit of each on each float. Cause I've seen a lot of people doing these red wine float. This is not traditional either, because this red wine is a little bit sweet. So we're gonna put that in that one. And then we have this rum cream that we're gonna put in the other one. So this is gonna be a rummy alcohol. Shake that whipped cream. So guys, I'm telling you, this is gonna be such a fun thing right here. And cheers to you, cheers to you, cheers to you. All right. So we're gonna start with the wine one first. And this is a little bit different from all the challenges that I normally do. First time trying these two, because I'm not a big alcohol person. But, you know. Wow. Oh my goodness. Guys. If you haven't tried this yet, you definitely need to try this. Wow. That red wine, whew, I'm telling you. So remember in my last video, I asked you if you guys wanted a story time. And I'm going to start out with this. I'm not I'm not going to call any names, but I have a family member that I went to the grocery store one day. And this happens more than one time. They literally picked the grapes off the stem because they're trying to save money. Who the hell does that? So a lot of people in my family who are going to be watching these videos are going to know exactly who I'm talking about. But that's just so low down, you know? Guys, I'm telling you, that's so good. All right, we're gonna try the one with the rum cream now. Mm. Mm. So we're gonna put a little bit more whipped cream in there. And we're doing this for the purpose of the thumbnail. We're gonna do another thumbnail. I almost started that chocolate on my teeth. Let me go back to the red wine one. This one is amazing. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm so glad that my teeth stopped hurting me because I wanted ice cream for a few. So guys, I'm back. I had some technical difficulties, but how you guys feeling? I'm telling you, these floats are so good. And don't judge me and call me an alcoholic. This is good for baking. I bought this that I was gonna make a fruit cake, and then I was like, I don't have time for that. But this is like real good wine from Jamaica. You can drink it chilled, but delicious. Just look at that. Once I'm finished with this, I may just have to make another float because it's so good. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. And guys, let me say this. If you're not grown, you shouldn't be drinking, okay? So, in a lot of countries, 18. So, if you're in a country and it's 18, then go ahead and make you one of these. If you're in America, which is 21, go ahead and make you one of these. If you're not of the drinking age, then go ahead and make a root beer float. You see, I'm there just scraping the glass, scraping the glass, scraping the glass. That tells you it's good. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. And I don't promote drunkenness either, so please don't get drunk. And you know that chocolate and wine go together. You sure do know, right? So good. But I want to say a shout out to all you guys who are subscribed to this channel. All you guys who have been watching these videos until the end. I want to say a shout out to you because I really appreciate it. So you know what? When I'm finished with this one, I'm going to make another one of that red label wine one because that was delicious. But this is a good Sunday trip. It's in Jamaica, people in Dominican Street. their kids, their girlfriends, to their wives to ice cream on Sunday. The husbands never get nothing, you know? If you're a guy and you're out there watching this video and you feel some type of way that you don't get any gifts, smash the like button and comment down below. But honestly, times are changing, because nowadays you have women who take on the more masculine side of a relationship, and so they go out and work and provide for the family and stuff. So things and time are changing. So maybe there's some men out there who are getting gifts and the woman is out working hard and they're treating their man because the man was good, taking care of the kids and all that. No judgment though. Wow, guys, I think I'm having so much fun just having a little chit chat with you guys and having some spite, some adult ice cream flow. I'm not gonna eat this whole tub of ice cream because I'm trying to lose some weight, and this ain't gonna help because alcohol plus sweets, oh no. But guess what? You know, you gotta be comfortable in your own skin. Yeah, definitely. And cheers to you guys. Oh, sorry, that was a burp. A lot of you gonna say, why are you so shy with the wine? But I'm not a big drinker, so I'm gonna not. And I'm telling you, the smell of this red label wine, wow, oh so lovely. I'm telling you, delicious. I'm gonna put it up front so you can see it, you can read it, and you can get it whenever you go to Jamaica. If you live in a major city, you should be able to find that. Get some more whippy. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I'm sitting on the floor and sometimes it gets a little uncomfortable, so I'm just, you know, adjusting. But just look at that, guys. Oh my. But you know what? I'm going to eat this last ice cream float and we're going to sit here and have a nice conversation, because guess what? I'm not able to go live on my phone yet, and I want to go live and do things like this. So continue to subscribe, share, and get me to 1,000. I'm almost close to 200, so go ahead and share. Shout out to my girl, Bites with Brina. Shout out to you. And I think it's Sarah Sensation. TJ the Bone Crusher, you are my dude. Shout out to you. You always supporting every video that I post, and I appreciate that. But guys, I'm telling you, wow. But another thing, I think I spoke about this in one of my other videos, but I don't know if you guys saw it. But you know what's so funny? When you, as a Jamaican who've been living in the US, visit Jamaica, and you go to like souvenir store where the Indians and the Chinese own them, if you don't go down there and speak patois, you ain't getting the bargain. If you go down there and speak a spoken, you know, all that stuff, then what's going on? No, that ain't gonna work. You have to say, Wagwan, how much for this? You know, you can't go down there and be nice with them and, you know, say, hey, how are you? How much is this? No. Leave the accent. Left the accent abroad, you understand? I'm so chopping that patois right now because it's been such a long time that I really get to speak patois because I'm not around a lot of Jamaicans and my family, you know? So, I'm telling you. Wow. But somebody commented on a video and said that I seems very high. But this is just, you know, I'm trying to be hyper. Do I look high? I don't think so. Do I sound high? Maybe to you, but you know what? Shout out to you. But I'm just full of energy. That's it. And it doesn't seem like I'm going to get to finish this floor. So guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, share with your family, share with everyone and anyone who is willing to listen. Love you all and peace.